Hello, friends. I suppose when you see me outside, you know I'm gonna chalk. Oh, you see my cat moving? She was saying hi. I'm gonna show you a couple pretty flowers in my front yard and then we'll get started. I've got a lot of daylilies around the house and they're just blooming like crazy. I love it. They're almost orange. They're just a deep yellow. So pretty. And then these guys are fun. I think they're coreopsis. We're the second owner of this house, so I didn't plant them. But just zillions of little yellow flowers. Okay, like usual, I have my map laid out. Got a little big, but I think it'll make a cool statement. Not sure what colors I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm gonna do red, white, and blue. It's United States Independence Day. But I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do it. Here's my sketch. I've got a little bit of color down and I'm getting ready to smear it. So what I had in my mind was more complicated, but the bumpy driveway reminded me I need to keep it more simple. I like it. It's starting to come alive. So I wanted to show you, I'm using an old dish towel to smear with. So it's soft and it's not as sturdy as it used to be, but just smearing that light blue on the cement made a huge hole. I'm gonna have to start thinking about keeping some more rags. Okay, friends, I'm done. Here's kind of it's cloudy too, which I love because then I can see my screen on my phone for videoing. Anyway, it says Happy 4th of July. I'll post it this Wednesday, and July 4th is this weekend in the United States. Here, get a little closer. That red is amazing. It's Street Chalk is the brand. It smears well, it's hard so it doesn't, it lasts a lot longer, it doesn't break. The white too, the white's the same brand, and I actually really like, I just kind of smeared in a lighter blue. Oh, that's Crayola chalk, that light blue. Then I did some fireworks. And then I've been signing my chalk creations lately. So then over on the sidewalk, I just put a hand waving hi and my name. I thought that was kind of cute. I'm gonna back up a little bit here. I hear a car coming though. Give you a bigger. I just had a neighbor, Rosie, stop by and say hi. It's just so fun. I get to see people, chat with them in their cars. Okay, I'm gonna pick up. I decided maybe I'd walk over it because you can't really see the happy. Of course, now the sun's out and I see my shadow. Oh, here, wave this way, wave that way. All right, let's see if I can show you the happy a little bit better. There we go, I think that got it, except for there's my shadow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to YouTube. That's a new thing for me. I have 85 subscribers. That's just awesome. I've sold a couple t-shirts. I sold a couple gnome t-shirts and one with a dog on it. Thank you so much. I make a couple dollars, but every little bit helps on those. Thank you for downloading the traceables. Thank you for your comments, watching my art videos. I can't tell you how much I appreciate all you guys. It just gives me hope, brightens my day. Oh, you can see my cat in the window again. Art hugs, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.